Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's Ethereum update for Saturday, 2nd of July. And right now, I do see Ethereum making some trouble here. It's really troubled right now, and you are on the verge of creating a big reversal wave to the downside. Okay, so I'm gonna take the bottom here, that impulsive move to the highest point right there. Yes, you did come down to 0.618, but there's a good chance that you actually start to lose the 0.618 as well, and then you start moving to the downside. Now, it would be a good idea that if you compare this chart with Bitcoin, because I do have the Bitcoin update right now, and Bitcoin is really holding the golden ratio as well, which is going to be the 0.618. So as long as you're holding this level, there's no need to flip bearish anytime soon. But what I just want to point out very quickly is that if you do come down and you backtest and fail the retest, then guys, you're looking for Ethereum to basically drop all the way down to the 1.618, which is going to be $703 right over there. Okay, so if you actually lose this level, if you lose the 1019 in the next coming few days, then you're looking to retrace to $703, and that's where you might take a little bit of break, go a little bit higher, and then continue to drop all the way down to maybe $400. Who knows? And that's it for this quick update on Ethereum. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.